This video primarily teaches us how to connect and set up software for indoor interactive bikes. 1. Fixing the bicycle speed sensor. Each bike needs to have a rectangular magnet and a speed sensor installed. Adhere the magnet to the outer part of the wheel using glue or hot melt adhesive. Attach the speed sensor to the crossbeam using glue or hot melt adhesive. Align it with the magnet, ensuring a gap of approximately 5 mm between the magnet and the sensor. 2. Speed controller wiring. Bike 1. Speed sensor 1. Connect the brown wire to VCC, the blue wire to GND, and the black wire to X0. Bike 2. Speed sensor 2. Connect the brown wire to VCC, the blue wire to GND, and the black wire to X1. And so on, connecting as many speed sensors as there are bikes. 12 volts and 2 amps power adapter. Connect the red wire to VCC and the black wire to GND. USB to RS-232 to connect directly. 3. Button fixing. Fix the 2 buttons as shown in the diagram. Secure the angle iron under the bike handle using screws. Attach the buttons to the angle iron. 4. Button controller wiring. Bike 1. Left side button No. 1. Connect the red wire to 输入 1. The black wire to 公共端. Right side button No. 2. Connect the red wire to 输入 2. The black wire to 公共端. Bike 2. Left side button No. 3. Connect the red wire to 输入 3. The black wire to 公共端. Right side button No. 4. Connect the red wire to 输入4. The black wire to 公共端. And so on, connecting pairs of buttons for each bike. 12 volts and 2 amps power adapter. Connect the red wire to 加, the black wire to USB to 485. Connect T, R 加 to A, 加 485总线1, T, R to B, GND to GND. 5. Software testing. Connect the serial parts of the speed controller and button controller to the computer one by one and note the corresponding COM numbers in the task manager. Use heat system to add the COM types separately. Add COM answer button COM. Add COM sporty bicycle COM. Select the COM number, then view the data. Check software startup and palette hidden. Exit heat system. Save the software once, and reopen it. Open ClipBicycle.exe to start the game, begin the gaming experience, and use the buttons to control game switching and selection.